When people hear the word print on demand, they automatically think of t-shirts, and today I'm going to prove to you it is so much more. There are thousands of print on demand products out there, and on top of the products, there are thousands of ideas and niches that these can be applied to as well. So, I'm going to share with you some ideas I've seen or had with print on demand that you could do as well. And this video is not every single idea for print on demand that is out there. Just watching this might spark some genius ideas in you that maybe have not been thought of before. So, let's get into it. And the first idea is pet pillows. Something like this, a customized pet pillow, would do extremely well because guess what? People love their pets. And I've found so far a lot of these are just doing dogs, but there are hundreds of other pets out there. Maybe do a cat focused one, a guinea pig focused one, a lizard focused one. Dogs are not the only pet out there that needs some loving with these pet pillows. For just this listing alone, you can see that they're making over 200 monthly sales. They have sold over 1,600 this year with an estimated revenue of almost $20,000 per month just off this one listing in their shop. And coming into eRank, you can see that they have over 2,000 monthly searches with not that much competition. And scrolling down, you can find some sub keywords that you can use in your listings to get found. You can make these using Printify. Just get the photo from your customer. You are going to have to cut it out, maybe using Canva background remover, and then you can upload it to Printify, who will then print and ship it for you. And you can choose from tons of different shapes of your pillow for your customer. And if you want to take it a step further, you can do custom shaped pillow using providers like Interest Print, who will actually crop and sew the pillow to the size of the image they provided. And you can see here they have, this custom pet shaped pillow, different sizes for your customer to pick from. And again, by maybe applying this to different pets, you can really stick out from the competition already there who are competing mostly for dogs. And this next one literally made me so excited to see you could do with print on demand because I remember actually like 5 years ago, I had thought of this idea and I tried to source these. I tried to get the acrylic myself. I tried to buy some decals on top and I just could not do it or make it worth it. But now you can actually do these with print on demand and take a look at this listing here. Their whole store is mostly focused around these acrylic calendars or different acrylic signs that you can have around your house. And this one is doing incredible. One, there are tons of options which go up to over 390 US. Taking a look at their stats, they have over 82 monthly sales, over 3,000 sales on this one product. And they have tons of other products in this store which are similar. And you can now make these easily with Printify. So Printify will print and ship all of your products for you. So you can sell these acrylic wall calendars. You can make them meal plans. You can make them chore lists, anything that might help you stand out from the competition or do something that hasn't been done before with these acrylic wall art panels. And I think this is a fantastic business idea. I was so excited to see these listed. And then quickly bringing you back over to eRank to show you that these have over 4,400 monthly searches with only 3,000 competition. Those are some good stats. I would definitely give this a go. Keep in mind, you should probably have a separate store for something like this. Make it your niche if this is a route that you plan to go. The next idea is personalized wine labels. Wine label itself does have quite a bit of competition, but if you scroll down on eRank, you can see tons of sub-niches that have tons of room for growth, like 21st birthday wine label, baby announcement wine label, engagement wine label, peach wine label, tons of different options for you to bring in your store to make a whole store around customized or non-customized wine labels. Here's an example of a store that does this. They sell wine label stickers. You can customize them. And these are selling super crazy. They've already over 133 reviews. Let's check out their sales. Over 571 sales. This has only been up for 5 months. And again, this is not the only listing they have for these. They have tons of sub-niche down labels that people can purchase. And then on Printify, you can make these just using stickers. These pretty much are just stickers, but they just have a higher perceived value. So the ones I would probably use is probably the Kiss Cut vinyl decals. And you can make these, just make sure when you're actually creating a design that you are putting a square or rectangle background the size of the label that you want. So that is actually not cropping out the design based on just the design piece. You do want this to be either a square or a rectangle so it fits correctly on the bottle. Or you can even use the square stickers if you are doing a design that is a square. You can just Google the different label sizes for the different types of bottles so you know what variations to create for your listings. And along the line of stickers, how about funny bumper stickers? This is another one that bumper stickers in general already have a lot of competition, but eRank gives you a bunch of sub-niche down bumper sticker ideas that you can do that are a lot more unsaturated. Printify already has stickers that are specific for bumper stickers, and they are only $3.10 with Printify Premium. But if you check on Etsy, these are selling for higher. This store right here just sells comedy bumper stickers. Like this one, Hot Girls Hit Curbs. They have tons of variations of just this bumper sticker, and they have a bunch of other ones out there that are bestsellers selling for $13.50. Another idea I had for one that I thought would be hilarious that I would definitely pay for is one that just says, "But did you die?" Because I'm not the greatest driver, but shh. Another print-on-demand idea that I thought would be great is event background tapestries. Tapestries is already a great product to sell, but how about in the niche of events? These could be backdrops for baby showers, for bridal showers, for birthdays, and they are selling extremely well. Here's an example of a bridal shower one that is doing extremely well and could probably be made extremely quickly. Offer these for a few different event types. Again, weddings, quinceañera, baby shower, tons of events out there that you can design these for. And this is another one that can be printed on demand through Printify for only $8.62 per product if you have Printify Premium. Otherwise, it's $11.19. The next one is custom teddy bears, and these seem to be very popular for searches for baby shower invitations. These can also be really good for milestones for babies. Baby's first birthday, a baby announcement teddy bear. Tons of options for kids to be customized that would do very well for this niche. And Printify does have a few options for these. They have these stuffed animals with tea or the plush toy. Problem is the plush toy is shipped from Poland, which might be a little far for you unless you live near there. But if your main market is America, then perhaps going with the stuffed animals with tea is the better option. And here is an option of those. They actually, just within that listing, have tons of different animals that you can pick from or that you can let your customer pick from. You got a little sheep, a bear, a tiger, we have a panda, a rabbit, so that you can do so many different variations with this. This was just to show you guys how many different options there are out there with print on demand. And if you do not want to do t-shirts, you do not have to do t-shirts. You can stick out with tons of different products and then stick out even more by picking a specific niche for those products. So I hope one of these is maybe something you want to try, or perhaps just watching this sparks some new ideas for you. All right, thanks guys.